गुरुजी शुक्राना। आप इतनी सुनते हो गुरुजी। I have been connected to Guruji since 2015 when my dad passed away. सत्संग की अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत मिलती थी। अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैं सोच रही थी कि इट्स बीन अ वाइल कि मैंने सत्संग नहीं किया। सो थैंक यू गुरुजी। रश्मि जस्ट केम रैंडमली कि तू सत्संग कर, सो आई नो इट्स योर कॉलिंग। I'll start from the beginning. I won't go in deep because बहुत लंबा सत्संग है, but I'll just share how I got connected with Guruji. My dad passed away in 2015, so we had to go to India, and I could not see his last rites because my elder son was sick. And we were in India and doing everything that he wanted, like not he. Now I think Guruji is my father, so what my dad wanted to do. So Bada Mandir was one of the place where he wanted us to go. So we went there without knowing what Bada Mandir is. And as soon as you go there, the vibes are so strong. Those who have gone there know what it feels. So it was amazing doing darshan. We came back, and I'm summarizing it because there's a lot to it, but I'm just summarizing because I want to focus on other part of my satsang today. We came back, and little did we know that there is Guruji ka ashram here in Edison. So I started Googling Guruji satsang, and started knowing more about him, knowing about satsangs and people's experience, and somehow every time I used to open a satsang, it gave an answer to my questions. And I was like, this might be coincidence. जो मैं सोच रही हूँ उसका कैसे जवाब मिल रहा है? But then as you get connected, you know it's like there's no coincidence. He is there to guide you. And we happened to go to Edison Temple in 2016, and that's how our journey started with Guruji. And शुक्राना गुरुजी महाराज अपने चरणों में लेने के लिए. We'll go again. I'm doing satsangs that he's asking me to do, so just bear with me. I'll just give you a history of my pregnancies. I had challenges conceiving my elder one, and after connecting with Guruji, I conceived, and unfortunately I had a miscarriage, and which was very devastating. And like human beings, we question that, Guruji, मैं तो आपकी शरण में हूँ, how come this happened? And it was really, really painful. And every time that thought came in my mind, he always used to make me sit in front of a sangat, a child who had some, I don't want to say that, Guruji, with all due respect, with some challenges. So एक बार हुआ, I was sitting, second time, every time that thought came, coincidence हो सकता है. But then we happened to go to Disney. तो वहाँ छोटे छोटे बच्चे देखते हैं, and I was like, if that child would have born, वो इस एज का होता, तभी एक कोई ऑटिस्टिक, I don't want to, I due respect, but ऐसा शो करते. तो मेरा बिलीव ये है, गुरुजी was trying to tell me that अगर वो बच्चा होता तो उसकी लाइफ में तुम भी स्ट्रगल करते. सो शुक्राना गुरुजी वो ना देने के लिए. और शुक्राना गुरुजी कोविड के टाइम पे ही ब्लेस्ड मी विद ट्विंस, एंड अ गर्ल एंड अ बॉय. गुरुजी के बच्चे हैं. सो दैट वाज आल्सो अ जर्नी कि गुरुजी ने मुझे दिखाते गए कि आई एम गिविंग यू ट्विंस. मैं मंदिर में थी, मुझे 2 टॉफ़ी प्रसाद मिली विच वॉज रैंडमली आउटसाइड द कार. कहीं से भी कोविड टाइम पे इट वॉज वेरी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, नॉट एवरीबडी वॉज अलाउड टू कम. एंड मुझे 2 कैट्स ड्रीम में दिखाते थे. देयर इज़ वन मोर संगत, पायल आंटी, शी वॉज कंसीव्ड विद ट्विंस एंड आई डिडंट नो. तो वो सारी चीज़ें मुझे बताते गए, एंड दैट टाइम I didn't even know that I'm expecting. So he has his own ways, and COVID time, there is no help. So Guruji made sure he had that protective layer around me, and pregnancy was smooth, delivery was smooth. Challenges आते हैं, सबकी life में आते हैं, but when we just surrender to him, everything falls in place. Then challenges. Guruji definitely help bless करते हैं. This is the satsang which is very close to me. I'm very emotional about it, but I somehow feel that I haven't done Shukrana to Guruji for how he has blessed my elder one. in 2 years back, he was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, which is like lifelong he has to be with insulin, right? Whatever he eats, he has to take insulin. And when he was diagnosed with that, it was difficult. He was in ICU. And जैसे हम इसको एडमिट कराने लेके गए, तो even the nurses were astonished that the kind of numbers we see, we don't see that symptoms in his body, because it can be life threatening. Doctors जो हैं, they might know that how challenging it is. And the room where he was assigned had peacocks. एक hope थी that maybe Guruji, he might not get diabetes, he might get cured, but इसका इलाज यही है कि he has to continue with it. तो शुक्राना गुरुजी मैंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है, बट अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स, अपने आशीर्वाद हमेशा ऋत्विक पे रखना, उसकी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना. मैंने यही सीखा है कि आपने 90% अपने ऊपर लिया है और 10% ही दिया है उसको. तो आई डोंट वांट टू cry for right now, because I know you are there, so I would still say शुक्राना. आपने शुक्राना करना सिखाया, तो शुक्राना गुरुजी. And recently, my husband Jitin, he was having husky voice. एक साल से we were going to doctors, उनकी nasal endoscopy हो रही थी, and we were told that he has acid reflux. So he could barely talk, मतलब कि आवाज़ ही नहीं निकलती थी. And after every 3 months, he has nasal endoscopy, and he was given some medication, but nothing was working. And abhi kuch mahine pehle, he was told that we see a polyp near your vocal cord, voice box ke paas, and that has to be operated, and then we need to do biopsy for that. A biopsy aisa word hai ki anybody can get scared, kya hota hai. And it was earth shattering for entire family, even though nothing was diagnosed at that point, but just a thought of getting this biopsy done ruins the entire peace of your family. But भरोसा था गुरुजी पर. And जैसे सीमा आंटी बहुत बार बोलती हैं कि if you have questions, talk to Guruji, talk to Light of Divinity. That's what I did. I did not tell even my husband, because I used to cry every night कि छोटे बच्चे हैं, what if Guruji hai, but as a human being, you have that thoughts. I opened a page, and believe you me, it was around somebody suffering from, same, I don't remember the terminology, but something around this. Auntie is nodding. Auntie has read books, so auntie must be knowing. And it says कि cancer nahi hoga, something on those lines. And I, bookmarked that page. I'm like, Guruji, I know you're telling me this answer, and I will share this with Jitin, and believe me, मैंने अभी तक बताया भी नहीं उनको, but शुक्राना गुरुजी, he went through his surgery, nothing came out, so thank you गुरुजी अपनी blessings देने के लिए. और ये तो known होती हैं, काफ़ी unknown blessings गुरुजी देते हैं. I was a person who was very scared of going in elevators, और बहुत सारे ऐसी नोन चीज़ें अननोन चीज़ें होती हैं. जैसे आई कुड नॉट ड्राइव दैट फार. गुरुजी ने जॉब दिलाई जहाँ मैं ड्राइव करके जाती थी, एंड आई हैड सो मच कॉन्फिडेंस, एंड देयर इज़ अ प्रोटेक्टिव शील्ड. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइज हैव नोटिस्ड दैट व्हेन यू connect with Guruji, there is some power that is just walking with you. You are in meetings, you're outside, wherever you are, you can feel him, and you talk to him. And n number of times that had happened in meetings or in your personal life, that Guruji aap ho na, Guruji aap ho na, and he makes sure that he takes you out of that struggle. But again, 10% भुगतना पड़ेगा, उसमें भी शुक्राने में रहिए. शुक्राना करना बहुत ज़रूरी है गुरुजी का. And so as I was saying, unknown blessings जो होती हैं गुरुजी देते हैं, तो हर वक्त शुक्राना करिए गुरुजी का. And गुरुजी से यही मांगे कि अपने चरण शरण में लगाए रखें. और I have been a consultant for almost all my life, and Guruji blessed me with a full-time job, so I'm very very thankful Guruji for that. और क्या बोलो, मतलब कि every day is शुक्राना with गुरुजी. And बस गुरुजी अपने बहाने में रखना. गुरुजी हर संगत जो आ रही है के ऊपर अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स दो, अपने होने का एहसास दिलाते रहो गुरुजी। मंगो नहीं मन्नो वाला बस वो जो फीलिंग है वो रहे हम सब में। आई लव यू गुरुजी, वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव विदाउट यू। हम तो कभी छोड़ेंगे नहीं आपकी बात, आप कभी मत छोड़ना, वो हमें भरोसा है कि आप नहीं करोगे। फिर भी एक अरदास है गुरुजी कि हमेशा अपनी चरनी शरनी बनाए रखना। लव यू लव यू लव यू गुरुजी। जय गुरुजी।